Have you ever wondered if it's possible to actually slow down or even reverse the aging process at a cellular level? Scientists are discovering that the foods you eat every day don't just fuel your body, they can repair damaged cells, reduce inflammation, and protect your DNA from age-related damage. In this video, we're revealing the most powerful foods proven to combat cellular aging and how to incorporate them into your daily life. From antioxidant-packed berries to anti-inflammatory herbs and omega-3 rich foods, these simple dietary choices can make a dramatic difference in your health, energy, and longevity. If you've been searching for a science-backed way to look, feel, and age better, you won't want to miss this. Aging is often considered an inevitable part of life, a process over which we have little control. Yet, recent scientific research is challenging this long-held belief, revealing that the foods we consume can have a profound influence on the way our cells age. At the core of this understanding is the concept of cellular aging, a process that occurs when cells gradually lose their ability to function efficiently. Over time, this decline contributes to visible signs of aging such as wrinkles, loss of muscle mass, and decreased cognitive function, as well as an increased risk of chronic diseases, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders. Scientists have discovered that certain foods rich in antioxidants, polyphenols, omega-3 fatty acids, and other bioactive compounds can help reverse some aspects of cellular aging, improve overall health, and even extend longevity. One of the most studied groups of foods in this context is berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in anthocyanins, flavonoids, and vitamin C, which are powerful antioxidants. These compounds neutralize harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that damage cellular structures, including DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. Free radical damage is a major driver of cellular aging, contributing to inflammation and accelerating the decline in cellular function. Studies have shown that regular consumption of berries can reduce oxidative stress, improve vascular health, and enhance cognitive function. In some cases, clinical trials have observed measurable reductions in markers of biological age in participants who included berries consistently in their diets. Beyond their antioxidant properties, berries also contain compounds that influence gene expression related to aging, demonstrating that they act at a molecular level to protect and rejuvenate cells. Turmeric is another food that has attracted significant attention from researchers studying cellular aging. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, exhibits strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation is closely linked to aging, often referred to as inflammaging, and chronic inflammation can accelerate the breakdown of tissues and impair the body's natural repair mechanisms. Curcumin has been shown to modulate inflammatory pathways and improve the function of proteins involved in cellular repair and maintenance. Studies suggest that it may even influence epigenetic mechanisms, which are the chemical modifications that control gene activity without changing the underlying DNA sequence. By positively impacting these pathways, turmeric can help slow the cellular aging process and support the body's resilience against age-related diseases. Garlic, a staple in cuisines around the world, also contributes to reversing cellular aging. It contains organosulfur compounds such as allicin, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds improve cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure, enhancing blood flow, and preventing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. Oxidized LDL is a major contributor to atherosclerosis, which accelerates aging at the vascular level. Garlic also supports immune function and may have neuroprotective effects, reducing the risk of cognitive decline. Research indicates that regular garlic consumption is associated with lower markers of cellular damage and improved DNA stability, demonstrating its potential to slow aging at the molecular level. Green tea, particularly varieties such as matcha and oolong, has been extensively studied for its anti-aging properties. It is rich in epigallocatechin galate, EGCG, a catechin that acts as a potent antioxidant. EGCG has been shown to protect cells from oxidative damage, improve mitochondrial function, and modulate pathways that regulate cellular longevity. Mitochondria, the energy-producing organelles within cells, decline in function as we age, contributing to fatigue, reduced metabolism, and increased vulnerability to disease. By supporting mitochondrial health, green tea helps maintain cellular energy production and resilience. Additionally, compounds in green tea can influence gene expression linked to aging, further reinforcing its role in promoting cellular longevity. Cruciferous vegetables, including broccoli, kale, cabbage, and spinach, are particularly beneficial for cellular health. They are high in sulforaphane, a compound known for its antioxidant and detoxifying properties. Sulforaphane activates the body's natural defense mechanisms, stimulating the production of detoxifying enzymes and reducing oxidative stress. By promoting the removal of harmful substances and protecting cells from DNA damage, these vegetables play a crucial role in slowing cellular aging. Regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables is associated with reduced inflammation, improved metabolic function, and lower risk of age-related diseases, making them essential components of an anti-aging diet. Omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, are vital for cellular integrity and longevity. These healthy fats are incorporated into cell membranes, improving their fluidity and function. Omega-3s also possess strong anti-inflammatory effects, reducing the chronic low-grade inflammation that accelerates aging. Clinical studies have shown that higher intake of omega-3 fatty acids is linked to longer telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes that shorten with age. Longer telomeres are associated with slower biological aging, demonstrating a direct link between omega-3 consumption and cellular longevity. Herbs such as rosemary and oregano are not only culinary delights, but also powerful contributors to cellular health. Rosemary contains carnosic acid and other polyphenols that activate protective pathways in cells, supporting cognitive function and detoxification processes. Oregano is rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Even small amounts of these herbs, when used regularly in cooking, can provide cumulative benefits that support cellular repair and longevity. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds, are nutrient-dense foods that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Vitamin E, abundant in nuts and seeds, is particularly effective in protecting cell membranes from oxidative damage. Additionally, these foods supply healthy fats that support cardiovascular health, brain function, and hormonal balance. Regular consumption of nuts and seeds is associated with lower levels of inflammation, improved metabolic markers, and enhanced DNA stability, all of which contribute to slowing cellular aging. The common thread among these foods is their ability to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation while supporting DNA repair, mitochondrial function, and cellular maintenance pathways. By incorporating a variety of these nutrient-dense foods into daily meals, individuals can positively influence their biological age, improve overall health, and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Importantly, these benefits are most pronounced when such foods are consumed consistently as part of a balanced, plant-forward diet alongside healthy lifestyle practices such as regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management. In conclusion, while aging cannot be completely halted, science provides compelling evidence that what we eat significantly influences the rate at which our cells age. Foods such as berries, turmeric, garlic, green tea, cruciferous vegetables, omega-3 rich fish, herbs, nuts, and seeds contain powerful compounds that combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support cellular repair. By making these foods a regular part of our diets, we not only nourish our bodies, but also give our cells the tools they need to function optimally, maintain DNA integrity, and resist the damaging effects of time. The choices we make at the grocery store and in the kitchen can therefore have profound implications for how gracefully and healthfully we age, demonstrating that aging is not solely a matter of fate, but is influenced by the daily habits and nutritional decisions we make. Embracing these foods and the lifestyle practices that support cellular health is a scientifically grounded strategy for promoting longevity, vitality, and resilience, offering a roadmap for reversing some of the effects of cellular aging while enhancing quality of life. Integrating anti-aging foods into daily meals does not have to be complicated or time-consuming. The key is consistency and variety, ensuring that your diet supplies a wide spectrum of nutrients that support cellular health. Starting the day with a nutrient-dense breakfast is one of the easiest ways to begin. Berries, for example, can be added to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or even sprinkled on whole grain toast with nut butter. A handful of blueberries or strawberries in the morning provides a concentrated dose of antioxidants, helping to neutralize free radicals that accumulate overnight. For added benefits, chia seeds or flax seeds can be mixed in, offering omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and additional antioxidants. The combination of these ingredients not only supports cellular repair, but also stabilizes blood sugar levels, providing sustained energy throughout the morning. Green tea or matcha can replace coffee as a morning beverage, supplying catechins like EGCG, which protect DNA and support mitochondrial health. Drinking a cup or two of green tea daily has been shown to improve metabolic function and reduce oxidative stress. For those who enjoy coffee, pairing it with a small amount of cinnamon or turmeric can enhance its anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric can also be added to smoothies or oatmeal. A pinch of turmeric combined with black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, maximizing its benefits. Garlic, another powerful anti-aging ingredient, can be incorporated into breakfast savory dishes such as scrambled eggs with sautéed vegetables or avocado toast with roasted garlic. Lunch offers an opportunity to include cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and cabbage. These can be lightly steamed, roasted, or used raw in salads. Broccoli, for instance, can be combined with roasted sweet potatoes, quinoa, and a handful of nuts to create a nutrient-rich bowl that supports detoxification and DNA repair. Kale and spinach are excellent for salads or wraps, providing sulforaphane and essential vitamins that reduce inflammation and oxidative damage. Adding a portion of fatty fish, such as salmon or sardines, 2 to 3 times per week, supplies omega-3 fatty acids that maintain cellular integrity and reduce chronic inflammation. For those following a plant-based diet, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds can substitute as a source of omega-3s. Herbs and spices are often overlooked but play a crucial role in anti-aging nutrition. Rosemary, oregano, basil, and thyme contain polyphenols that activate protective pathways in cells and improve cognitive function. Fresh or dried herbs can be sprinkled on salads, roasted vegetables, or soups. Garlic, combined with these herbs, enhances both flavor and cellular protection. For lunch, a simple stir-fry with garlic, ginger, broccoli, bell peppers, and tofu or shrimp, seasoned with rosemary and oregano, creates a meal rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and proteins that support cellular repair. Snack time can also be optimized for anti-aging benefits. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds, are convenient sources of healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants. A small handful provides satiety, supports cardiovascular health, and protects cells from oxidative stress. Pairing nuts with berries or a piece of fruit increases the nutrient density of snacks, ensuring a balance of antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. Another option is homemade trail mix, combining nuts, seeds, and dried berries without added sugar, creating a portable and powerful anti-aging snack. Dinner is an opportunity to reinforce the day's anti-aging nutrition. Incorporating cruciferous vegetables, leafy greens, fatty fish, and herbs ensures that the final meal provides concentrated cellular support. Roasting vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts with olive oil, garlic, and rosemary enhances flavor while preserving nutrients. Salmon or mackerel, baked with herbs and a drizzle of lemon, supplies omega-3 fatty acids that maintain membrane fluidity in cells and reduce inflammation. For plant-based dinners, lentils, chickpeas, or tempeh combined with a variety of colorful vegetables and a sprinkle of turmeric or cumin provide protein, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Smoothies are a versatile way to consume a concentrated dose of anti-aging nutrients. A green smoothie with spinach, kale, blueberries, flax seeds, and a splash of almond milk provides antioxidants, polyphenols, and omega-3s in one convenient serving. Adding a small piece of ginger or a pinch of turmeric enhances the anti-inflammatory effects. Smoothies can be consumed as a snack or a light meal, especially for individuals with busy schedules, ensuring that nutrient intake is consistent even on hectic days. Hydration is another critical, yet often overlooked factor in cellular health. Water supports every physiological process, from nutrient transport to detoxification, and even mild dehydration can accelerate cellular aging. Herbal teas, infused waters, and broths can supplement daily water intake while also delivering beneficial compounds. For example, rosemary tea contains polyphenols that activate cellular repair mechanisms, while ginger tea reduces inflammation and supports digestion. Drinking water with lemon not only hydrates but also supplies small amounts of vitamin C, an antioxidant that protects DNA and supports collagen synthesis. Meal planning and preparation can significantly increase the likelihood of consistently consuming anti-aging foods. Preparing vegetables, herbs, and proteins in advance reduces reliance on processed foods that contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress. Keeping frozen berries, pre-chopped vegetables, and ready-to-use nuts or seeds on hand makes it easier to incorporate these foods into every meal. Simple strategies such as roasting a large batch of vegetables or preparing a pot of quinoa or lentils at the beginning of the week ensure that anti-aging ingredients are always available. In addition to diet, lifestyle practices amplify the benefits of anti-aging foods. Regular exercise promotes circulation, improves mitochondrial function, and reduces inflammation, complementing the effects of nutrient-dense foods. Sleep is critical for cellular repair and maintenance, as many repair processes occur during deep sleep stages. Managing stress through mindfulness practices, meditation, or light physical activity reduces the production of stress hormones that accelerate cellular aging. Combining these practices with a diet rich in anti-aging foods creates a holistic approach that supports cellular longevity and overall health. It is important to note that no single food or supplement can reverse aging on its own. The most significant benefits arise from a consistent dietary pattern rich in a variety of nutrient-dense foods, incorporating a diverse range of berries, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, fatty fish, herbs, spices, nuts, and seeds into daily meals ensures that the body receives the antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential nutrients required to support DNA repair, mitochondrial function, and cellular resilience. By focusing on variety, balance, and preparation, individuals can make anti-aging nutrition both practical and enjoyable. Finally, embracing anti-aging foods is not merely about extending life, but enhancing its quality. Nutrient-dense meals improve energy, cognitive function, and physical health, allowing individuals to remain active and vibrant well into older age. They provide a sense of empowerment, as dietary choices directly influence cellular function and overall well-being. By integrating these foods into daily routines, individuals take control of the aging process at a cellular level, giving their bodies the tools to repair, rejuvenate, and thrive. Over time, these small, consistent actions compound, producing meaningful improvements in health, vitality, and resilience. By approaching nutrition as a long-term investment in cellular health rather than a short-term fix, people can enjoy the benefits of reduced inflammation, enhanced DNA repair, and protection against age-related diseases. This chapter demonstrates that reversing or slowing cellular aging is achievable through practical, everyday dietary choices. It provides a roadmap for incorporating science-backed anti-aging foods into meals, ensuring that nutrition supports longevity, energy, and overall quality of life. With planning, variety, and consistency, the foods that protect and rejuvenate cells become not only a source of health, but also a cornerstone of a lifestyle that prioritizes vitality and resilience. Understanding the science behind cellular aging is only the first step. The next is applying that knowledge in daily life to achieve measurable benefits. While chapters 1 and 2 explored which foods support cellular health and practical ways to incorporate them, it is essential to see how these principles can be organized into a consistent, sustainable plan that maximizes their impact. Anti-aging nutrition is most effective when it is part of a holistic lifestyle, including balanced meals, hydration, physical activity, quality sleep, and stress management. Each element complements the others, creating a synergistic effect that enhances cellular repair, reduces inflammation, and protects DNA integrity. Starting with breakfast, the goal is to provide the body with nutrients that fuel energy production, support mitochondrial function, and combat oxidative stress. A simple yet powerful breakfast might include oatmeal topped with a variety of berries, chia or flax seeds, and a small handful of nuts. This combination supplies antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber, supporting digestive health and cellular repair. Smoothies are another versatile option, blending spinach, kale, blueberries, turmeric, and almond milk into a nutrient-rich drink. Adding a pinch of black pepper enhances curcumin absorption from turmeric, maximizing its anti-inflammatory effects. For those who prefer savory breakfasts, scrambled eggs with sautéed garlic, spinach, and fresh herbs like rosemary or oregano provide protein, antioxidants, and polyphenols that protect cellular structures. Hydration is a cornerstone of cellular health and should accompany every meal. Water is essential for nutrient transport, detoxification, and maintaining cell turgor, which keeps cells functioning efficiently. Herbal teas, such as green tea or rosemary tea, add additional antioxidants and catechins that further protect cells. For variety, infused water with lemon, cucumber, or berries provides hydration while supplying small amounts of vitamin C and polyphenols. Proper hydration also supports the liver and kidneys in detoxifying harmful compounds, reducing oxidative stress, and preserving cellular function. Lunch and dinner are opportunities to emphasize vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and herbs, ensuring consistent intake of anti-aging compounds throughout the day. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale are particularly valuable, providing sulforaphane and other bioactive compounds that stimulate detoxifying enzymes and repair DNA damage. These vegetables can be roasted, lightly steamed, or added to salads, maintaining both flavor and nutrient content. Pairing them with fatty fish, such as salmon or mackerel, supplies omega-3 fatty acids that integrate into cell membranes, improving flexibility and reducing inflammation. For plant-based alternatives, lentils, chickpeas, and tofu provide protein while supporting a variety of anti-aging pathways. Herbs and spices, while often used sparingly, have significant anti-aging potential. Turmeric, garlic, rosemary, oregano, basil, and thyme contain compounds that influence gene expression, reduce inflammation, and activate cellular repair mechanisms. Simple strategies, such as adding fresh herbs to roasted vegetables or incorporating garlic into sauces and soups, can enhance both flavor and nutritional impact. These small additions cumulatively protect DNA, enhance mitochondrial function, and support overall cellular resilience. Snacks offer another opportunity to reinforce anti-aging nutrition. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds, provide vitamin E, healthy fats, and antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative damage. Pairing them with fresh or frozen berries creates a nutrient-dense snack rich in fiber and polyphenols, supporting gut health and cellular repair. For variety, consider homemade trail mixes or roasted chickpeas, ensuring that snacks contribute positively to your anti-aging strategy rather than relying on processed foods high in sugar or trans fats, which accelerate cellular aging. Consistency and variety are key principles in applying anti-aging nutrition. Consuming the same foods repeatedly can limit the range of bioactive compounds your cells receive. Rotating different types of berries, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, herbs, nuts, seeds, and protein sources ensures exposure to a wide spectrum of antioxidants, polyphenols, vitamins, and minerals. This diversity not only prevents dietary boredom, but also maximizes the protective and rejuvenating effects on cells. Planning meals ahead of time, prepping ingredients in batches, and keeping anti-aging foods accessible reduce barriers to consistent consumption. Lifestyle factors play a crucial role in amplifying the benefits of anti-aging foods. Physical activity stimulates circulation, improving oxygen and nutrient delivery to cells, while also enhancing mitochondrial function. Resistance training, aerobic exercise, and even regular walking support muscle maintenance and metabolic health, which are key components of cellular longevity. Sleep is equally important, as many repair processes, including DNA repair and protein synthesis, occur during deep sleep stages. Consistently achieving 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night allows the body to recover and rejuvenate efficiently. Stress management is another critical element. Chronic stress produces cortisol and other stress hormones that increase oxidative damage and inflammation, accelerating cellular aging. Practices such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or even short walks in nature can mitigate stress and support cellular health. Combining these practices with a diet rich in anti-aging foods creates a holistic approach that reinforces the body's natural repair mechanisms. A practical example of a daily anti-aging eating plan might include a breakfast of oatmeal with blueberries, flax seeds, and almonds, green tea as a beverage, a mid-morning snack of mixed nuts and a few strawberries, lunch consisting of a salad with kale, broccoli, roasted sweet potatoes, chickpeas, and a lemon turmeric dressing, an afternoon snack of carrot sticks with hummus, and dinner featuring baked salmon with garlic, rosemary roasted Brussels sprouts, and a side of quinoa. Such a plan supplies antioxidants, polyphenols, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and essential vitamins consistently throughout the day, ensuring that cells receive the nutrients they need to repair, regenerate, and resist aging. Supplementing this diet with occasional herbal teas, water infusions, and mindful use of herbs and spices further enhances cellular protection. Preparing meals in advance, keeping frozen berries and pre-chopped vegetables on hand, and creating easy-to-grab snacks like nuts or trail mix ensures that anti-aging foods are consistently consumed even on busy days. Over time, these habits compound, improving overall health markers, enhancing energy levels, supporting cognitive function, and contributing to a slower biological aging process. Ultimately, reversing or slowing cellular aging is not about a single superfood, but about cultivating a dietary pattern that consistently supports cellular health. Combining a variety of nutrient-dense foods with regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, and proper hydration provides a comprehensive approach to longevity and vitality. The goal is to empower individuals to make informed, science-based decisions that enhance both quality and length of life. In conclusion, anti-aging foods provide the building blocks for cellular repair, DNA protection, and reduced oxidative stress. Berries, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, garlic, turmeric, herbs, nuts, seeds, and omega-3 rich proteins work together to create an environment in the body that supports longevity. By adopting practical strategies for incorporating these foods into daily meals, prioritizing variety, and maintaining complementary lifestyle habits, individuals can significantly influence the rate at which their cells age. These changes are not merely cosmetic, they affect energy, cognitive function, immune resilience, and overall health. In essence, the foods we choose each day are investments in our cellular future, giving our bodies the tools they need to repair, rejuvenate, and thrive. The journey to reversing cellular aging begins with small, consistent steps, adding a handful of berries here, a sprinkle of turmeric there, a serving of salmon, or a handful of nuts, and over time, these choices accumulate into a lifestyle that promotes vitality, resilience, and longevity. By embracing this holistic approach, aging becomes less of a decline and more of a process that can be influenced, supported, and even reversed at the cellular level. Aging is inevitable, but how gracefully and healthfully you age is largely within your control. By incorporating antioxidant-rich berries, cruciferous vegetables, turmeric, garlic, green tea, nuts, seeds, and omega-3 rich foods into your daily routine, and pairing them with exercise, hydration, quality sleep, and stress management, you give your cells the tools they need to repair, rejuvenate, and thrive. Small, consistent choices compound over time, slowing cellular aging, boosting energy, and supporting long-term health.